racing our DRMs at Diepholz in Germany, coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello once again, Slot Car Race fans. Are you ready for our final race in our 1981 DRM League? And unfortunately, this is the last time we get to hear this great 80s music on my videos. Well, maybe not. We don't know. But anyway, welcome back down to another great race for our DRM cars, and this is our final race, and we're going to be in Diepholz down in Germany. And if you like these videos, remember to like, subscribe, and share them all with all your friends, and don't forget to click that red notification bell. And now let's go down to the races.
I had to laugh.
Put mine on.
Sorry, Glenn.
Sorry, Glenn. There we go.
slow-mo somehow. Somebody out there teaching how to slow-mo on that. Look at your lights, Kevin. Come on. Two laps, 453.
And I'm still in. After all that.
We have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we got 70 laps. It's Josh, Kevin, Howard, and myself. And here we are at the end of the race for Diepholz. And I got 25 points. Glenn, Daryl, and Mark did not show up. Kevin got 47, Howard got 35, and coming up first is Josh with 69 points, and Eric and Dale couldn't make it. So now let's see our final results for this league. Here we are at our final standings. I came in 4th in this league with 173 points. Glenn was in 7th with 113. Daryl came in 8th place with 57. Mark came in 6th with 150. Kevin came in 2nd with 343. Howard came in 3rd with 275. Josh won the league, our grand champion, with 392 points. Then we had Eric at 55 points in 9th place, and wrapping up our chart here is Dale in 5th with 158. Congratulations to everybody, and it looks like I owe another car to Josh. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching our DRM League. And tonight was the last night because next Wednesday is Halloween and we want to be out there trick-or-treating and giving away candies to the kids and scaring them. Because that's always fun. So if you enjoy this series, remember to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends and family. And don't forget to click that red notification bell so that every time we do a slot car video, you're the first person to see it. And speaking of great things to see, if you would love watching these things and you want to build your own track, don't forget to check out our Patreon page where you can see how I built this track, and I'm going to personally teach you how to do it. This is a Hot Shot series track, so it will be $3 a month to subscribe. Now, next week we are going to be racing our GT3 cars. This is GT2, but I'm allowing it as well. GT series. So that will be happening November the 7th. So next week, enjoy your Halloween on the next Wednesday, and look forward to seeing our GT3 League starting about November the 7th. And until next time, happy racing, slot car fans.